What's up, everybody? Back again, another video. My brake lights seem to be staying on. I turned the lights off. They're still on. So let's fix it. Okay guys, just check out your local accessory aisle at your AutoZone or something like that, and you'll see the little Dorman pedal bushings. 74015. Again, here we are. We're in the car. Turn the lights on, turn the lights off, and the lights are still on. Okay, so we got to fix that. Okay, we're going down by the pedal. You're gonna see, follow your pedal, and you're gonna see this peg right here, that white peg. All right, I'm pushing the brake in. There needs to be a peg in that hole to push this little thing in. Once this is pushed in, like that, your lights come off. Since there's one missing, it doesn't get pushed in, as you can see. So here it is, a little pedal bushing from Dorman. 74015 is the code. So what we need to do is push that down and put that peg. We need to put this little peg right down in that hole. Okay. Now we put the peg. You can see where you put the peg in the hole, and now it'll push the peg in. Just like that. Now let's go see if our lights are off. Now our lights are off. So we're done. Well, that's it, guys. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button for us. Subscribe to our channel if you can. We'd appreciate it. If you like these little fix-it videos, definitely subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.